Well, hey guys, Dave here, and I've always wanted to do this experiment. I see it pop up all the time on Facebook and Twitter, and I just can't believe how really stupid people are, but I'm sure you've seen this. So people will post and they'll show a measuring cup, and then they'll say, I thought that, with all the ice melting that, the world was going to be flooded. So then they'll start putting ice in it. And they'll say, I'm going to put all this ice in here. See all this ice going in here? I'm going to put all this ice. See that? And what do you bet? When that ice melts, do you think the water will be overflowing or not overflowing? Well, of course, if the water's not overflowing now, once the ice melts, it's not going to overflow. And then they'll say, see, I told you. They tell us the earth is going to be flooded when all the ice melts. But look, when the ice melts in the water, the water's not, overflowing the cup. Well, the problem is they don't take into consideration, either they're lying or they don't know that once you put the ice in the water, then the ice, it doesn't matter if it's in a solid state or if it's in a liquid state, it's already filled up that volume. So the ice, it doesn't matter that it's ice, it's water, it's already filled up the volume. So of course, melted ice is not going to overflow if solid ice is not overflowing, because the volume has already been used. So the thing that they don't tell you, which I'm going to show you in my experiment, is see all this ice here? Well, let's pretend that this ice isn't ice that's floating in the water. That's only a small percentage of the ice in the world. The majority of ice, especially in Antarctica and in Greenland, is frozen on the land. See, they never talk about that. And do you know, and I'm going to show it here in this video right here, Antarctica is such a huge continent that Antarctica is about the size of Mexico, the United States, and Canada combined. And also you realize that on the continent of Antarctica are huge mountains that have been covered in ice for millions of years. And some of that ice is miles and miles and miles thick. So the people that love to post this stupid ass science experiment and their way to debunk climate change and global warming, either they're too stupid to really understand the truth of the situation, or they know the truth of the situation, but they're just lying. So I think that they're just lying. But anyway, this right here is all the ice, represents all the ice on the land. So let me ask you a question before this ice melts. Do you think that once all this ice on the land melts and I pour it into the cup, do you think that it will then overflow? Pretend this is the ocean. This is all the ice floating in the ocean. See, it's already displaced the volume, but we still have all the land ice. What do you think's going to happen? Well, let's wait and find out. Well, looky, we're back. And all our ice has melted. So, this represents the ocean. All of our ice in there. So, what do you think's going to happen? Do you think that now that the ice on the land has melted and begins to run into the ocean, Do you think that maybe, just maybe, the ocean will overspill its bounds? Do you think? How much would it take? Oh, that ice keeps running off. Oh, and look at that. Look at that. Here it goes. Oh, see it running down? It already overflowed. And that wasn't even a lot. So, do you understand how asinine this stupid experiment they do is? It's not about the ice that's floating in the goddamn ocean. It's about the ice that's melting on the goddamn land. Fucking morons.